Right. Okay, on to the second question. Red color in wheat kernels is produced by genotype big R, big B, and white by the double recessive. The genotypes big R, small b, and small r, big B produce brown kernels. Now, from this question, one of the first things I would notice is that the big R and the big B gives the same phenotype. So this would mean that there is an element of duplicate genes, and then that big R on its own will give you brown, and big B will also give you brown, but the presence of both big R and big B will actually give you red. Now that would remind me of duplicate genes. It doesn't. It could be with cumulative effect. Yeah, because R and B is brown, and then R plus B is something else, is red. So I'm guessing that this would be the duplicate genes with cumulative effects. Alright, it's 961. So can we do that? Now you say a homozygous red variety is crossed to a white variety. So let's do that. A homozygous red will be, okay, I'll divide this into two. A homozygous red will be, oh, hang on, I hope you can see this. Homozygous red will be big R, big B, big B, and then this is crossed to a white variety, and then cross will be RR, BB, and in your F1 what you will get is big R, big B, small b, and this would be still with the red color. Alright, now as I mentioned, when you talk about epistasis questions, normally it will be this double heterozygote crossing with another heterozygote. So in the next cross, you will have big R, big B, small b. You cross with big R, big B, small b, and then going with the usual Punnett square. Okay, so you have big R, big B, big R, small b, small r, big B, small r, small b. So from here, your F2, alright, your F2 will be, okay, so small r, b, this one will give you a white, so this one will be white. Right, so that's one, there's only one, sorry, it should be written as that, RB. And then if you have both big R and big B, this will be red, so this one will be red, right, red, 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 so this one will be red as well. You understand that, yeah? Because they've all, each of this will have at least one big R, one big B together. And this one and this one will also be red, and this will also be, no, sorry, this one will also be red. Okay, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then this one is big R and small b, so this one is big R and small b. This one is also big R and small b. This is brown, yeah. This one is big R and small b. Here you have small r and big B. here you have small r and big B, and here you will have small r and big B. So that gives you 9, 6, 1. So you'll have 9 portions of red against 6 portions of brown and 1 portion of white. So to look at the question, so what phenotypic results are expected from F1 and F2? So this is your F1, this is your F2. All. For F1, all will be red color. For F2, you have 9, 6, 1. If the brown F2 is artificially crossed at random, the brown, right? Wow. So for part B, there'll be quite a bit to do, because it says if the brown F2 is artificially crossed. So you will have what are the brown F2s? What are the 6 brown F2s? You will have big R, B, and then you have big R, big B, small b. Oh no, that's not brown. Sorry, wrong. You have big R and then big B, big B, and then you have again big R, small b, and then you have big B dash, big small r, big B, small b, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I've written that twice. Okay. Now, if you were to cross this self-fertilizing, if it says that wheat is normally self-fertilizing, so that means you will have big R cross with big R, small b cross with big R, small b, and then you'll have big R, big B cross with big R, small b. You'll have that one is the same, right? So if you ask me how to do that question, that would mean that you would have to outline all the different types of possible crosses that can come from F2. Okay, I think as long as you write down there are 6 different types of 6 different genotypes that you can actually see, 6 portions in brown. Yeah, because this is at random, right? So as long as you understand that will actually give you its own crossing product, it'll be fine with me. Okay, it's going to be a bit long for me to do here. If you have questions, please let me know. All right. Okay, so I hope that helps you answer question 1 and question 2. Bye bye.